All right, welcome everybody this Jannat Learning's digital class. And in this video we are going to look at how MGT 402 scenario about differential cost. All right, for our examples that we are going to look at here. Let's read it instructions. It says, suppose Sena of London produces 40,000 units operating at 50% capacity. Production fixed costs 20,000 rupees. Other fixed costs 40,000 rupees. Total 60,000 rupees. Variable cost per unit. Direct material 3 rupees. Direct labor 2 rupees. Variable overhead 1 rupee. 6 rupees. Suppose selling price per unit is given as 10 rupees per unit. An overseas customer offers to buy increased quantities during the forthcoming year at the following prices. 10,000 units at 9 rupees. 20,000 units at 8 rupees. 30,000 units at 7 rupees. 40,000 units at 6 rupees.
तफरीकी लागत डिफरेंशियल कास्ट से मुराद दो मुतबादिल फैसलों की कास्ट के दरमियान फ़र्क है। ये सूरत हाल तब पैदा होती है जब किसी कारोबार को कई मिलते जुलते इख्तियारात का सामना हो और इसे किसी एक इख्तियार का इंतखाब करते हुए बाकियों को तर्क करना पड़े। जब कारोबारी मुंतज़मीन को ऐसे हालात का सामना हो तो उन्हें हर इख्तियार की कास्ट और मुनाफा का मवाजना करके सबसे ज़्यादा मौज़ूं और काबिल अमल इख्तियार का इंतखाब करना चाहिए। ये तयन करने के लिए कि सेना ऑफ लंदन को ब्रोनमुख गाहक की कौन सी पेशकश कबूल करनी चाहिए, हम खुसूसी ऑर्डर के फ़र्क पर मबनी तज्ज़िया करते हैं। चूँकि कंपनी अपनी 50% सलाहियत 40,000 यूनिट्स पर काम कर रही है, इसलिए इसके पास 40,000 यूनिट्स की इजाफी / गैर इस्तेमाल शुदा सलाहियत आइडा कैपेसिटी मौजूद है। कल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सलाहियत 80,000 यूनिट्स है। लिहाजा मुस्तकिल अखराजात 60,000 रुपये पहले ही मामूल के कारोबारी अमल से पूरे हो रहे हैं और इस फैसले के लिए गैर मुताल्लिका है। 1, 2, 3 इस मसले की 2 आम तशरीहात के तहत मालियाती तफसीलात दर्ज झैल है। फैसला: सेना ऑफ लंदन को 8 रुपये फी यूनिट के हिसाब से 20,000 यूनिट्स का ऑर्डर कबूल कर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि इससे 40,000 रुपये का सबसे ज़्यादा इजाफी मुनाफा हासिल होता है।
All right, we have another scenario to decide factory should be shut down or continue its operation. There is detail, we have to read it and analyzed it. Worksheet. Normal plant capacity 100,000 units. Fixed cost at present 200,000 rupees. Fixed cost if plant is shut down 75,000 rupees. Expenses that would be incurred with the closing down 15,000 rupees. On reopening, overhauling, training and other costs would be 10,000 rupees. Variable cost per unit 8 rupees. Reduced selling price per unit 10.40 rupees. Estimated sales and volume, units, 50,000. Reduced selling price per unit 10.40 rupees. Estimated sales and volume, units, 50,000. We make a worksheet of the given data, and see. There are 50,000 units for sale at selling price 10.40. So by calculation we have an after marginal cost, i.e. variable cost at the 8 rupees per unit. After minus this marginal cost by sales we have. During shutdown these figures are 0. Again fixed cost will also be subtracted. Fixed cost for operational unit is 200,000. And for shutdown is 75,000 rupees. There are closing expenditure and reopening expenses that are zero while factory is inoperative and have cost while shut down. The shutdown point represents the minimum level of sales volume required to justify keeping the operations open instead of closing down temporarily. Buster Limited makes 4 components, A, B, C and D, for which costs in the forthcoming year are expected to be as follows. Production volumes are 1,000 units for A, 2,000 units for B, 4,000 units for C, and 3,000 units for D. The direct materials cost per unit is 4 rupees for product A, 5 rupees for product B, 2 rupees for product C, and 4 rupees for product D. The direct labor cost per unit is 8 rupees for product A, 9 rupees for product B, 4 rupees for product C, and 6 rupees for product D. The overhead cost per unit is 2 rupees for product A, 3 rupees for product B, 1 rupee for product C, and 2 rupees for product D. The total marginal cost per unit is 14 rupees for product A, 17 rupees for product B, 7 rupees for product C, and 12 rupees for product D. Total fixed cost is 1,000 rupees for product A, 5,000 rupees for product B, 6,000 rupees for product C, and 8,000 rupees for product D. Calculation of make or production is as it is. Calculation of buy cost is as it is. Buster Limited should buy components A and D from the subcontractor, and continue to manufacture components B and C internally. Following this strategy results in a net structural cost savings of 14,000 rupees for the upcoming year. Thank you for attending the Jannat Learning Digital class. Our mission is to help you achieve academic success and unlock your potential. Our content includes study tips, exam preparation strategies, course overviews, and more. Join our community of motivated learners. Subscribe to Jannat Learning for regular updates and valuable insights. Good luck and goodbye.